Okay, welcome to this video tutorial on how to draw triangles. Okay, you should have went through this lesson, so this is just a recap for you. Okay, you definitely need a ruler, your compass. Okay, you need a compass. Okay, you definitely need a protractor down the line, but you'll get to there, and then you will need a pencil. Okay, and of course an eraser if you have it. Okay, but for this tutorial you will probably only need these few for this first set of exercises. Okay, so let's get to it. Now let's look at the question first. Is to construct a triangle ABC with AB being 5 cm, AC being 7 cm, and BC being 6 cm. So the first step, okay, is to always sketch your triangle. So let's try A, B, C. Okay, just anyhow sketch, it's fine, as long you can get 3 points, a triangle. Label them with the points you want. AC here is 7 cm, so it will be 7 cm here, and then you can continue labeling that this is a 6 cm. Okay, now with that being said, we can now go ahead to draw our line. So for this example, I have already drawn the line for you, so the line is here already. So let's check if it's 5 cm. Yeah, it's 5 cm. If it's not 5 cm, you may want to extend it a bit. So according to my calculations here, this is not 5 cm, so I'm just going to extend a little bit. Okay, so somewhere there lah. Okay, always use a pencil. Don't go and use a pen. Okay, drawing will always be in pencil. Now the next step is you will open your compass. Okay, we are going to try to draw AC first. Okay, AC is 7 cm. You open your compass to about 7 cm. 7 cm. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so you can use your ruler to gauge. Okay, it's from the tip of the sharp point, which is this part, okay, to the pencil tip, so it should be 7 cm. Now you have the pencil, you have the sharp point. Okay, now because we are drawing AC first, so we're going to draw AC first. We're going to put the sharp point at point A. Okay, make sure it's at point A. Okay, we're going to use, you can use 2 hands or use like that. Okay, you can draw. Okay, we call this an arc. Let's draw an arc. Make sure that you don't move the pencil as you draw the arc, because if you do that, it's going to cause some issues lah. Okay, we don't want that to happen. Okay, so you have drawn your first arc. Now we have drawn. Okay, so what does this arc actually represent? This means that, right, point C will somewhat lie on this line, right? Because any point from the arc to A is always 7 cm. So here is 7 cm. Here is also 7 cm. Yeah, so that is the point of using a compass. Okay, now the next step is to find out from which point to here. You can usually use your ruler, find somewhere that is 6 cm, but it's going to be a hassle lah. Okay, so the next step is going to be the same, just that we're going to do it for BC now, which is 6 cm. So same thing, I measure my compass to about 6 cm. 6 cm is somewhere here. Okay, so with that being said, 6 cm is here. Okay, then we're going to put the sharp tip on B now. Okay, put it on B. Okay, I'm going to draw an arc that crosses the first arc that you drew. Okay, crosses the first arc. Once it crosses your first arc, you are almost done. Yeah, so you realize that between the arc there will be an intersection point here. Okay, so make sure okay, if you measure from BC, it will be 6 cm, right? Yep, it's definitely 6 cm. And you measure from here to here, it's definitely 7 cm. It fulfills this criteria, right? AC must be 7 cm and BC must be 6 cm, right? So this point here will be your point C. So what we're going to do now is you connect point C to point A. Make sure it's correct, and connect connect point C to B, which makes it like that. Okay, Are we done? No, we are not done. We need to label them. So AB is 5 cm, write 5 cm here. BC is 6 cm, write 6 cm. And finally this here is 7 cm. And there you go, you have constructed your first triangle here.